Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the magical rice water of Yao Women. Let's get into the video to see how they prepare their rice water. First ingredient we require is white rice. Do not use brown rice or cooked rice. Use white raw rice. In a video, one of the Yao women mentioned that sticky rice is even better. If you can get your hands on it, go ahead and use sticky rice. Now, first rinse the rice to get rid of dirt. Rice water contains vitamin B, C, and E, which helps in hair growth. The amino acids present in rice not just gives the best chance of growth, but also strengthens the hair. The starch present in rice makes your hair smoother and stronger. When I googled for more information, I found that there is an ingredient called inositol found in rice water which penetrates damaged hair and repairs it from inside out. Now start washing the rice between your hands to bring out all the possible nutrients out of rice. Wash the rice between your hands for at least 10 minutes. Now you can see the water has turned cloudy. This is when you have to transfer it to another container and start boiling just the water. Next ingredient we need is pomelo fruit. The Yao woman uses pomelo fruit. As it is not available in the place I live, I am using grapefruit, which is closely related to pomelo fruit. If you don't find pomelo fruit or grapefruit, you can go ahead and add orange peel. Grapefruit peels contains vitamin A, B1 and C, fiber, copper, potassium and biotin. These nutrients work together to protect and revitalize the scalp. Next, I'm adding few drops of argan oil. Yao woman uses tea seed oil, so you can go ahead and use any essential oil or herbal oil you have. Boil the water for 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, transfer it to an airtight container and let it ferment. Yao women ferments their rice water anywhere from 1 week to 3 months, so try and keep it for at least 1 week before using the water. Once the rice water is fermented, the nutrition in it is magnified with additional nutrients such as niacin and biotin. So let's see how to use this rice water. Apply the fermented rice water using a cotton ball or apply it by pouring the rice water with the head over a bucket and massage your scalp. Make sure the rice water is applied to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes and then wash your hair. If your hair is sensitive and brittle, do not leave the rice water for more than 30 minutes to avoid protein overload. So try this method and see if this works for you. If it really works for you, then let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to read all your comments. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you next time. Bye.